Viva na Hololive! Welcome, guys! Welcome to the Halloween episode of Chadcast. And what better way of celebrating friendship than eating some spicy food? Oh no. Anyway, I've got mine ready. You ladies ready for the very first bite?
I'm ready for my first bite too.
Itadakimasu. Mmm!
Oh god. Ow! Ow! My tongue! Ow!
God, that hurts.
PhD. Oh god. I didn't even put everything in there. Oh god. Oh ow.
I need water. I need water.
Water makes it worse, doesn't it?
Ow.
Making me make unsafer noises. This spice physically hurts the tongue.
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
Why so sad, IRyS?
Hurts. My tongue is screaming in pain.
IRyS is so expressive. I can feel her pain. IRyS is not in pain. She's in pleasure. What?
What? What? Are you calling me a maso? Are you calling me a maso?
Look, okay, I'm experiencing heat drunkenness. I don't really know what I'm saying. It's unhinged hours.
Jesus.
Well, you guys don't have to finish it, but I'm going to because I'm kind of hungry.
I don't know if I can.
My stomach is gonna kill me.
I'm not really worried about my stomach, but...
You worried about your butthole?
I'm worried about my butthole, yes.
Yeah, some people hate coriander though.
I love coriander.
Calli.
Coriander is my favorite thing in the world.
You like cilantro?
It's so
IRyS,
good.
we're meant to be.
It's so good. I don't know. I don't get people who hate it.
If you guys have cilantro on shit at your wedding, I'm not coming.
Apparently, it's because of a chemical in their brain that makes it taste like soap. I've heard that. A lot of people who don't like cilantro say that it's because it tastes like soap. Is that why?
I don't think it tastes like soap. I think it tastes like ass.
Oh.
Not that I know what ass
You've
tastes like.
tasted ass, I was gonna say.
Then I don't know what it tastes like.